Let's explore on how to use a pricing table widget of a classic add-on plugin. First open the Elementor editor and click on this plus icon to add a new section, or you can add it in your existing section. And here you can choose your preferred layout. And in the left sidebar, click on this widget options and search for the pricing table. And simply drag and drop to your section. And in the left sidebar, you can see pricing table and enter your title in the title field. And the next option is pricing table items. You can drag and drop all the items easily. Now let's enable all the needed items. Also, you can disable unwanted items to the disabled area. Now let's change this alignment of these items. And the next part is price before text. Here you can enter the text we want before the price. And here you can change your price. And here you can change the after text of the price. The next option is active inactive. If you enable this option, you can show status of the plan is available or not. And the next one is price features list. Here you can add the features of the plan. Enter your features here. Also you can add new item by clicking here. And enter your feature too. And also you can duplicate this easily and change your features. The next part is layouts, and here you can choose the pricing table layout from default, classic or modern. Now let's choose modern, and here you can change the alignment of the pricing table. And the next part is title. Here you can choose your preferred heading tag size. And the next one is title transform. You can choose from capitalized, uppercase or lowercase. And the next part is icons. Here you can choose your preferred icons for this pricing plan. This is the view. You can choose from the tagged framed or default. Let's choose tagged. And here you can change the shape of this icon. Let's choose circle. And the next part is image. Here you can upload your image, or you can choose from media library. Also you can change the image resolution here. The next part is button. Here you can change the button type. And the next one is button text. Change the button text here, and here you can change your URL in the link field. And the next one is alignment. Here you can change the preferred alignment for this button, and in the size field you can change your preferred size for this button. And the next option is icon. Here you can add icon for this button. Also you can change the icon position before or after, and this option for changing icon space. And the next one is button ID. Here you can enter your unique ID for customizing this unique button. The next part is video. Here you can paste the URL of the pricing video. The next option is content. Here you can enter your pricing content. And the next part is ribbon. And here you can enable or disable it. And here you can change the ribbon text like premium, basic or standard. And here you can change the ribbon position. Let's moving on to the style. And here you can enter preferred inner space value for this pricing table. Let's keep 20 pixels each side. And the next one is margin. Here you can enter preferred outer space value for this pricing table. Let's keep 30 pixels each side. And the next one is font and background color. You can change it in the normal and overview too. Choose your preferred font color here, and let's choose the background color. Also you can change it in the overview. And the next one is border type. Choose your preferred type here. and here you can change the width of the border, and here you can change the border color. And the next option is border radius. Enter your preferred border radius value here. Also you can enable or disable the box shadow, and if you want to change font family and font style, you can change it here. The next part is pricing header, and here you can change the header color. Also you can change it in the hover too. Let's change the pricing header background color. The next option is padding. Here you can enter inner space value for this pricing header. Let's give 20 pixels. And the next option is margin. Here you can enter outer space value for this pricing header. And here you can change the header typo and font style. And this is the price typo. Here you can change the font family and font style. Also you can adjust the spacing of this pricing header. The next option is pricing features. Here you can change the features color, and here you can change the features background color, and here you can enter padding value, and this is margin. Let's give 10 pixels each side. The next option is typography. Here you can change font family and font style for the features. Also you can change bottom space of these features here. The next part is title. Here you can change the title color, and here you can change the preferred margin value, and here you can adjust the title bottom space. And this is the typography. Here you can change font family and font style for this title. The next part is icon. Here you can change the icon's color. Here you can change the icon secondary color. Also you can change it in the overview too. And this is the icon size. Choose your preferred size here, and choose the inner space value of the icon here, and you can rotate your icon here. Also you can adjust the bottom space of the icon here. And if you want to set border radius, you can enter your preferred value here. And this is the icon animation. You can choose your preferred animation. The next part is the image. You can change background color for the image here. Also you can change type of the image, squared or circled. And here you can enable the image resize option, and this is for image spacing. And the next one is image padding. You can adjust the inner space value for the image here. And the next one is border type. If you want to set border to this image, you can choose the type of the border here. And the next part is button. Here you can enable the text shadow for this button. And the next one is text color. You can change the button's text color here, and here you can change the button's background color. And the next option is border type. If you want to set border to this button, you can choose from here. Also you can set border radius and box shadow here, and this is for inner space value for this button. And here you can change the bottom space of the button. And this is the typography. Here you can change font family and font style of the button. And the next part is pricing video. Here you can change video's background color in the normal and overview. Also you can adjust the padding and margin value and the bottom space of the video. And the next part is content. Here you can adjust inner space value for this content. And the next one is margin. Here you can adjust outer space value for the content. And here you can change color and background color of the content in the normal and overview. And this is the description spacing. Here you can adjust bottom space of the content. And the next one is typography. Here you can change font family and font style for this content. Finally update it. Let's check it in the output.